Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to get free DevOps and Developer Certification 2025, and this certification is provided by Harness and certification exam Harness Certified Continuous Integration Developer. So this is the URL for that certification, and the certification exam for the Harness Certified Security Testing Developer, and third one is the Harness Certified Software Engineering Insights developer. And fourth is the Harness certifies continuous delivery and Git operation developer. So let me open one by one URL. So all are certification. So all four are there. So certification exam Harness Certified Continuous Integration Developer. This is the Harness Certified Continuous Integration Developer certification exam. Developer exams are free of charge. So register for free. So similar, you will get all the pages, all the certification. Okay. So let me connect with one. Register for free. So there is a two options: sign in, sign up. Go to the sign up. You are coming to the first time. So put your name. So work email it needs. So if I put the Gmail address, what it will happen? Let me check first. Company name, Chirag tutorial, job title, administrator. So click on sign up. Okay, administrator spelling is wrong. Okay, I'll change last after some time. So this is done. So there is a lessons. One lesson is there. You can start, and course overview 90 minutes approx, and certification after exam survey. So harness certification it will give you. So start. So before the exam, please review the study guide located on the Harness Developer Hub. So go through that. You will have 90 minutes to answer them during the exam. So complete this one after you fail. Okay. After the exam, if you receive a provisional scorecard, Harness will confirm the result within the 7 business day of the exam attempt. For candidates that fail, you have the 5 retakes. So 5 times retakes you can get, and you can start the exam. So similarly, all the things you have to do. So in this video, we are learn how to get free DevOps and Developer Certification 2025 and earn your badges and boost your career. So for all four are there. For any doubts inquiry, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Follow the process shown in the video. Please subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.